welcome. Here your friend and your host Dr. Karan Pratap Singh, founder president MITWS India. I am with you with our promo episode of our new program, The Green Blue Earth. The Green Blue Earth is the radio program initiated by Radio MITWS India under the program Paryavaran Mitra of Mahamana Innovative Technologies Welfare Society, Nawabganj, Bareilly. One of our friend and volunteer accept the responsibility of coordinating this program. This radio program is targeted toward listeners who are very interested and try to work for the sustainability of this planet. This program is a motivational step and a very positive initiative of our society for taking some small step so that we can move toward a sustainable future and making earth a better living place. Make the earth more greener and blue in color. There is a need for preserving our water bodies, forest, our nature, our rivers, our ponds, lakes. We need to make our villages more independent, more sustainable. We are trying to make the cities in such a manner that they are not only smart, but the living standard is more greener, more sustainable and more healthier. Environment friendly. The thinking should be environment friendly. We should promote the green chemistry and other green technologies. There should be a proper solid and liquid waste management, not only in the village but also in the cities, small towns. Development of a very new technologies which can handle these waste materials. So there is a requirement of developing some value added products from the waste material which are coming from various industries. So there are a large number of issues related with the environment, and MITWS developed relations, and we are continuously trying to develop collaboration with our academic and industrial partners. In this series of channel partners, one of my friend, Dr. Vijay Palsi, is the managing director of SNB Enterprises, and he is developing bricks and interlock tiles, hollow blocks and solid blocks from the flying ash. And he regularly try to improve the quality in more sustainable manner, trying to develop a new formulation for making the bricks more lighter, and their lifetime should be increased and they are more sustainable. Using the normal brick and using a fly ash brick is more sustainable. One of my another friend, he is working as Supertech. He is the owner of the Supertech. They are working on technologies which can reduce the fuel consumption of the vehicle. So they are distributing the franchises and technology to the various parts of the globe. And in India, there are many people are taking their franchises and they start their business in their collaboration of Supertech. One of my friend, Mr. Sanjay Hotwani, has been working since many years on the product based on the value-added products. He has a small cement factory in Katni. From industrial waste, he is looking academic partners so that the proper research and support he can get for developing new technologies and new innovative products. Professor Tilak Basu, one of my very old friend from Calcutta, is also in our link and we are making a very good relation with him. He was working as a scientist in the CSIR laboratory. Now he is associated with many organizations and industries. He worked for providing safe clean water, water contamination, and many other innovative products which are more sustainable and good for our environment and for our health of the planet. Many other academicians and researchers and social activists are our partner, or we are taking a hand in our hand, and we are trying to do some positive things along with them. In this series of friends, one of my another friend is Mr. Vimlesh Nigam is located at Lucknow. He is working as an advocate and environmental activist. He has done a number of great work in this area for environment preservation, and he distributed homes for sparrows by distributing a wooden home for the little pretty bird. He participated in the reforestation programs of government, and he also developed program so that the volunteer activity of the nearby people take part in the plantation new trees and make the cities more greener. So he started a organization that is Go Green Save Earth Foundation, and he is very active in this area. MITWS India is saluting his wonderful work. In the same line, Green Blue Earth program will telecast weekly at Radio MITWS India, and we will try to speak on various issues related with environment, wildlife, food habits, tradition and culture related with the health of this planet. The importance of the environment study is increasing globally. Now UGC also include the environmental science as a mandatory subject in all the graduation courses taught in the Indian universities. There are many challenges in front of humans due to increase in the industrial activities, great interference of human in the natural system, over-exploitation of the natural resources, huge production of non-biodegradable waste, plastic waste problem, contamination of the water bodies, heavy use of pesticide and fertilizers, manifold increase in the vehicle on the road. Here we are not only count the social impact of this problem, but obviously these problems are global in nature, and government takes initiatives, and internationally people recognize these issues, and they continuously trying to give fund in this direction. MITWS is believing that the joint efforts can only address such mammoth challenges. There is a need of development where people collaborate and initiate some positive steps in the direction of sustainability of the planet. We can be a motivational tool for each other. Every person is a motivational tool for any other person. The good work of one person can motivate the other person. To adopt the healthy habits, we can motivate our neighbors, we can motivate our students, we can motivate our seniors, we can motivate our nearby people, near our villagers, our mohalla people, by discussing our view which are more related with the environment, which are more related with the sustainability, and which are more related how we can make this earth more greener and more blue. We need to preserve our water, we need to preserve our natural resources, and there is a control use of the natural resources. Radio MITWS India believing that every person has something very special in it. They have good expertise in every person has some area where he has a good expertise. He has a good experience in that area. He has a good knowledge in that area. So we want that every person try to share his knowledge, his expertise, his experience to others, so that other people can enlightened and educated from his wisdom. So my dear friends, here we are requesting you kindly participate in this initiative of MITWS, and your talk will be a motivational step for others, and maybe these small steps can change the world. If in every mohalla, in every village, there are 2 or 3 people who are working in that direction, maybe they can motivate others, so that they in their mohalla and in their village and in their society or in their colony, they will find some change after some time. You can send your talk or you can send your text message, but for radio purpose you should send your voice message, or you can simply record some audio file in an audio recorder, using some audio recorder, and record your voice or you record your talk and send to my WhatsApp number 09457566259, and I will broadcast it on our radio platform. We are running nowadays 2 radio platforms, Radio MITWS India and Radio OPJS Churu. Other than that, Radio MITWS has been broadcast from 2 broadcasting stations, Radio MITWS Northeast and Radio MITWS India. Other than that, we have talked with many of the people. Very shortly we will start Radio MITWS Maharashtra, Radio MITWS Gujarat, Radio MITWS Rajasthan, Radio MITWS Andhra Pradesh and Radio MITWS Jharkhand. So slowly we are trying to expand ourselves, and your little contribution will make it a mission, and we are become a motivational, or we can say we can be a role model for other people, and they will do on their behalf small step for making this earth more greener and more blue. So this is a promo episode of our new radio program Green Blue Earth. We have started a WhatsApp group also, and we have also started a Facebook page also, Green Blue Earth, and this is all everything we are doing in this direction is under the program of MITWS Paryavaran Mitra. So good luck my friends for your greener and blue journey on the planet Earth, and we will together make this earth more greener and more blue. Thank you very much.